Hey yo, everybody! Welcome back to another episode, or actually the first episode of Noob Craft today. We're gonna be playing with Connor and Jacob. This is gonna be a series that we're gonna start doing.
No, I'm not playing.
Oh, you're not playing?
Yeah.
Y'all can play split screen.
No, thank you. I'm gonna watch for the first episode.
All right, Jacob's gonna have to be on a late start, I guess, because he doesn't want to watch tomorrow. On the other hand, he could do that. Say hi, Connor.
Hello. How do I look? Do I look fancy?
Yep.
You didn't even look at me.
Yes, you look fancy.
Thank you.
Oh, I didn't even know we started with one of those. Just get the axe. Some wood.
Sticks. Oh, that.
No, that was my wood.
That.
That was my wood.
That.
Take it all.
That.
Take it all, Connor.
That. And I gotta take this potato and then I'm running.
So basically, we're not gonna what we're doing in this. We're not gonna be we're not gonna be teaming up or anything. We just go our separate ways and we go do
This
stuff.
looks like a cake.
We just go our separate ways. We don't help each other.
Yeah, we're not helping each other.
I'm just totally taking this chest and all these torches, bro.
We're
Easy.
probably gonna make a video on a safari thing.
Yeah.
And Jacob's going to come.
Let's see, I want to run
Are
far
we
away.
gonna make a video about that?
Maybe.
I need to run far away from this maniac.
Guys.
We just want to. Okay, back to Noob Craft.
Yo.
Can't we just have fun for once?
Okay.
Okay. I mean, I am gonna do the basic Minecraft stuff, but I do want to run far away from this noob.
So we'll have fun this once.
Yo, I keep left clicking the tree. Oh, bro, if only you bronze. Yo, there's this wolf right here, bro.
Wait, guys,
Please do one video about it. Hello.
when are you done with your client? When you get done, Nana's gonna start. We gonna do the safari.
Oh, we're gonna do it now. I got one plan. Why is the blind so close? Oh, because Grandma told us to do. Oh. That. Yo. Yo.
Okay, I
Adventure.
need help. I don't know how
The
this
tree
is
floats
possible.
in Minecraft.
What's wrong?
The tree floats in Minecraft. What's supposed to happen?
I don't think that's a glitch.
It's supposed to happen.
Weird. I need to kill this sheep.
You call me sheep, bro?
No, I'm not calling you a sheep.
Look how many of this I have. Hey.
I'm getting some jack-o'-lanterns. I'm gonna.
You want this potato?
Oh, maybe way. Yo, I'm not even near you, bro. I'm trying to live my own life right here. Oh, ooh.
Boo! Boo!
Yeah. Yeah, mine this.
Alright, I'm just gonna mine it. I know you guys don't want to see that, so I'm just gonna pause the video. Okay, so basically what's been going on right now, been just mining for a little bit, and I got my stone stuff. I found this lava pool, which
Logan still looks like an elf.
this might actually be an interesting little house here. I think I'm gonna fix this up, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys when I finish. It seems that you're having a little trouble, Connor, huh?
No.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
perfectly fine. I'm perfectly fine. I'm definitely not dying by a skeleton.
Bro, he's
No,
at 2 hearts, he's at 2
no,
hearts, he's at 2
no.
hearts. And if you come toward me, I'm gonna kill you.
No.
Oh! Holy! No, I don't like this desert anymore.
I don't like this forest anymore.
You know, there's those I know those. What are they called?
Naked penises.
Jacob, I'm recording. It's not funny.
I accidentally said that.
Yo. Oh no. There's those what are they called? The skeletons, yeah. Yeah, those over there, they give you slowness. I was like mining out that dirt. Oh my, there's a Enderman.
You're an Enderman.
Oh, I see you. You coming toward me?
Yeah, please don't.
No!
Yeah. No, stop.
Okay, I have something.
Okay. You here to trade?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, what do you want?
I'll give you, a door for, a sword
No.
for a wooden pickaxe.
Sure, yeah. It's a little bit.
Actually, a wooden sword.
A wooden sword? Okay.
A toy sword?
Yeah. Here's my, I actually have to go in my inventory to give you the door.
Press E. Wait. It's either E. Press F on there.
No, it's Q.
Oh, it's Q. Press Q then.
It's right there. On the other side of the crafting table.
Logan, press Q. And then you'll see something.
Wait, what?
Press Q.
Thanks.
Q's right here.
No, I'll give you it.
Oh wait, Connor, what is the emotes?
Yo, where is my stuff? I dropped my sword too.
Connor, where's the emotes?
If you help me out, I'll give you it.
Hey.
Noob Craft is going perfectly bad.
The emotes don't work.
Oh, wait. Here you go.
I would have kept that sword and ran away with it.
No, he would have died.
Oh, actually.
I would have killed him if he did that.
That's what I would have done.
It's like someone's dead. There's a whole lot of stuff in your inventory. No, actually turn back. I got your stuff for you.
Okay.
We're not gonna do any of that rage quitting, okay? You promise?
Noob Craft is going all.
There's no rage quitting in Noob Craft.
Okay, we're just gonna live together now. Ow!
Okay,
We'll
I'll
just live together now.
yes, with a rent.
Okay.
Yes,
You're gonna give him a rent.
yes, I'm gonna give him a rent.
Does he have to pay every month?
Yes, every once in a while he's gonna have to pay to live with me.
Diamonds?
For it depends on what I need.
Oh, maybe I could just be, or maybe you could build me a house, huh?
Yes, I will build the house and you will pay me. You will give me this and you'll be my resourcer.
Okay.
You mine for me, I let you live. With me.
Can you go to the spawn?
Yes, I'm coming to you. Stop moving. Stop moving. I'm coming towards you.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am recording.
How many minutes have you been?
9 or 10.
Oh, okay. Noob Craft is going pretty good.
Alright. I'm gonna give him his stuff and we're gonna
Oh, no, it's snowing.
I'm gonna give him his stuff and then we're gonna go ahead and
Do I look handsome?
we're gonna go yes, you look very handsome. We're gonna go ahead and
Uh-oh.
Yo, what the frick? Alright, I'm gonna give him his stuff, so I'll check back with y'all in a second. Let's go, boys. Just found my first iron. I'm gonna go get that. Let's go, let's go. You found iron too?
Ooh, more.
Yo, Connor just found iron too. Let's go. Oh, I found a whole lot of iron though.
Me too. I'm finding a lot of iron.
Let's go. Might wanna. Yeah, I was doing a little bit grinding while I was off camera. Oh, now I can mine diamonds and stuff. So. Oh my! I just found diamonds.
What? What type of pickaxe do you have?
I'm about to get an iron one. Yo, I was like, yo, I just found diamonds.
What did you mine them?
Yeah, I'm about to get iron.
Alright, so you're gonna get a diamond.
Oh, bro, let's go. Yo, I accidentally fell down here, and there was just diamonds. Yo, I want to turn coordinates on.
You deserve your reward. The game, if you mine, the game will give you your reward.
That's your
Wait,
word.
Let's go,
where's
baby.
where's the other Freddy arm?
Let's go.
Where did the other Freddy arm go?
Wait, gotta make me a. Gotta get me.
Hey guys, I can't find the other Freddy arm.
I don't know where he is. Let's
You
go.
can use these spring trap ones.
See,
Freddy doesn't like
first
the
diamonds of
arm
the
anymore.
game, baby. Oh, it's a stacker. Oh, it's a stacker.
That's a good vein of diamonds.
Now you can pay
Oh.
your rent.
That's a good
You can pay my rent with your diamonds.
No, you're gonna pay your rent.
Look at that good stuff, bro. Yo, and I can mine this obsidian.
If I was it, I would steal your diamonds from your chest.
How dare you?
And I would say, I'm gonna take that good stuff.
I'm
Yo,
hungry.
let's go, boys. Let's go.
I'm gonna die of hunger.
You can't die of hunger in Minecraft.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can. Look.
I'm about to die.
Oh my. I'm done.
You done do it.
Yeah,
Oh.
Logan.
Oh my. I just lost so much iron, bro.
Hey, Logan.
I actually broke it.
You can die by hunger.
No, you get to have heart. You don't die.
No.
It puts you at half a heart. I know.
It doesn't though. Come here, stupid rat.
Oh, bro, get this
I
fire.
have died by hunger before.
Yo, get that stuff away from me.
What?
Oh my. That was probably the most. That probably scared me. That was probably the most scariest thing I've ever had done to me in my life. Like, I fell in the lava. Oh my. And I got out with like 2 hearts. Yo, wait, I need to get my diamonds.
You gotta run. Oh wait, no, kill the stray.
Kill or be killed.
Look at that good
He
stuff.
just yelled at you, Cutter.
Look at that
Good stuff.
Cutter, he just yelled at you.
I'm gonna shoot him with my bow.
Oh, are you gonna shoot Logan?
Yeah. After I kill
Yo, I have a diamond sword, so I don't know how you're gonna fight me.